The Elephant Who Couldn't Forget. A short moral story. In the heart of the savannah lived an elephant named Elmer, known far and wide for his incredible memory. He remembered every face, every path, and every kindness, or cruelty, ever shown to him. But Elmer had one problem. He couldn't forget a time long ago when a group of monkeys had laughed at him for slipping in the mud. Though the monkeys had since grown kind and respectful, Elmer still walked past them with a heavy heart and angry eyes. One day, a fire swept through the grasslands. The monkeys were trapped on the wrong side of the river. Elmer could have walked away, but something stopped him. He remembered not just the teasing, but also how one monkey had once shared bananas with him on a lonely day. With a deep breath, Elmer helped them cross to safety. Grateful and crying, the monkeys apologized for their old mistakes. Elmer smiled, finally letting go of the grudge he had carried so long. From that day, Elmer remembered kindness more than pain. Moral: true strength lies not in remembering everything, but in knowing what to let go. Thank you for watching.